Here we have a Beoplay P6 Bluetooth speaker where the buttons are got stuck and some are not responding because the top panel, top cover or the side cover was deformed, as you can see. Now I'm going to fix this button, removing the rubber putting. Actually guys, this adhesive you can just use knife to access the screws. This one, the tape, foldable adhesive tape, you can slice that to see the screws. But in this video, I just apply it to detach the foldable adhesive. Now detaching the connector and microphone. This speaker has two batteries. Two batteries inside. One battery pack consists of two batteries inside, and that is the specs of the battery. I'm not sure if it is mic, but I think yes. Not sure about it. Meaning, I'm going to detach the cover. Okay, this cover is can detach easily. I'm showing here the what do you mean, the guide. And if you return it back, just snap like this and done. Moving, just pull it out and done. Cleaning again, cleaning the buttons. There's a lot of dust. This cover is aluminum type, as you can see the thickness is not so good, and if you drop this speaker it will leave a dent. Now I'm going to align the cover. This cover is easy to bend because aluminum and the size is so thin. You need to align it properly because this top buttons is touching on the frame, so that is not moving freely. I need to at least have gap in between the top, the cover and the frame. Seems the alignment is now okay. In this video guys, I'm just giving you an idea only, and it's up to you how you fix if you have the same problem with the button. As you can see, it has a gap now, and you can hear the click lock switch clicking. Installing back. Installing back the microphone. And this is the stopper of the microphone. This adhesive, I am using hot air to set and place properly the adhesive. Now rubber coating is already set in place, and it is looked nice. Checking the charging port. Charging is okay. Turning it off. Checking the buttons, and it seems all okay. After this, and turning it on without the charging turning on. And do the 4G test. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and hope you like this video and you have got some idea. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much, and God bless us.